Okay, today's project is cable raceway. See this cable raceway? This came with my desk and it went on the back, but it's impossible to get the back. So I'm gonna install this cable raceway on that back board. This is a stand-up desk. See the controls right there? And then I'm gonna mount this underneath that power strip. And then all the wires will live in here. And then there's a front piece that goes on the top of this that covers, and then you can run wires out at any of those through those teeth. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm finished with the raceway. This is my what I call Studio C. This looks like a lot, but it's really not. There's the Mac Mini right there in front, in the middle. And then the Mac Mini has two monitors connected to it. The monitor on the left is this Raspberry Pi 400 over here. And then that other monitor is the ATEM Mini Extreme with multi-output up there, so I can see all the cameras. I've got a couple of cameras selected. You know, you can change the camera views here, etc. There's the rear view. There's my Blackmagic 12K camera sitting in there mounted. And here are the wires. So you saw the before, I'll throw it up here, and then there's the after. So I still got some more work to do on the back of Studio C. 2 DMX lights up there. And then there's a MixPre 10 sitting right there. And then over here's a rack of gear. There's a hyperdeck in there. There's a switch in there. There's a Mackie that's now not being used. And then DMX controllers built in there as well. A couple of DMX lights. And then my event monitors. Okay. I would say this is a successful project.